पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। After talking about the Praveshruti, the Upanishad talks about two kinds of experiences by two examples. One example was of the razor kept in the bag, and other example was of the fire in the wood. When the example of razor was given, I had mentioned in the morning that example of razor was to tell about the localized I, ek desh sthaniya aham vishesh vritti, and the I which was pervasive was mentioned like the one fire in the wood. That was called Samanya Vritti Aham, and first one was called Vishesh Vritti Aham. So in the former Vishesh Vritti Aham, it was mentioned that this Samanya Vritti Aham Yam na Pashyanti. In the mantra it was written, see, people don't see that Yam na Pashyanti. People are not able to see that. Ah nakha grebhyah yatha kshurah shuradhane. Shuradhane means razor bag. Avahitah is placed. Vishvambharo va Vishvambhara kulaye. Like the fire is in the Arni, tam na pashyanti. Tam na pashyanti means samsar janaha. You have to add the subject here. Samsar janaha, worldly people don't see this eye. When they don't see that eye, I had elaborated, vadan, vak. While speaking, they one become speaker. Pashyan chakshuhu. While seeing, they become only seer. Shrinvan, hearing, they become only hearer, etc. etc. In other words, they are with that eye which is exclusive and passing away eye. They are having that eye which eye will be not there after some time. And therefore these words are used here. Pashyan vak, Pashyan chakshu. Chakshu, I had told here, you have to add chakshuvan. So when they see, they become possessor of that chakshu eye. So dharma is of the conditioning, called the chakshu, but because of the upadhi, they superimpose on itself. Okay. Although dharma is of the manas and dharma is of the sense organ, but because of the proximity of the self, they take it on the own self. This is called upadhi. And one who takes the dharma is called upahit. Upahit and upadhi. So that I which is being conditioned is called upahit. And the one which is conditioning is called upadhi. Okay. Okay, that is fine. So we have seen that this attributeless self is getting the attribute now. Attributeless self, changeless self, actionless self. So I am all contributing it to that where these things are not there. So shrotrasya shrotratvam sakshini adhyaropita. So the hearingness of the hearer is superimposed on the sakshi which is not a hearer. Chakshushaha chakshutvam. Chakshushaha chakshutvam sakshini adhyaropyate. That is superimposed on the sakshi which is not there. And God, I hope you are getting my point. And therefore it is written here. It is written here. Akritsno hi saha. This is important. Akritsna. He is akritsna means, and therefore he is incomplete. Therefore he is running after another small I. Akritsna means what? He is not whole. Sa means individualized sakshi. Individualized sakshi is not complete. It is apurna. Okay, individualized sakshi. Okay, I understand. So this localized I minus condition minus shrotratvam is equal to localized I minus hearingness is general I. General I. It is equal to that samanya aham. Morning we saw that in waking and deep sleep we have vishesh ahams, many aham. And in sushupti we had one samanyam. Okay, we have one samanyam. Dhyan dena, these things are important. When samanya aham is mean, it means it has no desire to become another aham. It is not feeling limited. It is not feeling in kritsna hissa. This is now complete. It has no limitation. Number two, it has no fear because it is not in desh and kal. Number three, na karmano kaniyan. It is not becoming small and big by action, because a person has known that I am avikari aham. Okay. So this aham that we work on, what is the difference between the Vedantic sadhana and the samsari? Samsari is always working on the localized eyes. And sadhak is negating the localized eye and trying to get established in the sakshi aham. Sadhak or the Vedantic seeker, why? Because he has discovered its reality, because this is appearing by upadhi. It's not there. By the upadhi, it has taken the dharma of my instruments and mind, and taking the dharma of instrument and mind, it has become hearer, seer, talker, eater, thinker, sad, happy. This is the description of this I. And therefore, Upanishad is now wanting that one should be out of the samsara. So samsara was mentioned not for samsara. And therefore it is said here, see the next line. Saha yaha. Sahaya means he who. Gurudev used to say, whosoever he may be. Sahaya ekaikam upaste. One who does the upasana of only one I. That means the localized I. Achha, then what happened? Ataha ekaikaina bhavati. Na saveda, he didn't know, and therefore he works for one small I. He works to become rich. I told you, what is action? You have a present I, and you have image of a future happy I. I will be with my wife, I will be with money. Now distance is a lot between that two eyes. Or I should go to America. I should go to some foreign place. But distance, I say, money is not there. To realize this, a person works a lot. He'll go up and down, he will have contact, he will fight if required, he will slog. All is to get that particular eye. And don't think the topic is over. Whole life went in chasing that eye. Some eye you got, some eye you didn't get. Which eye you did not get, don't tell me. Now lot of eyes are left. In the process I got more, I should have this also. Topic is not over now. And I died. Then I will now go to the next birth. But this attraction for the new I has not gone with the new birth. Birth has only changed the hardware. Software is same. Okay. Don't think we have become, will be different. So what is written here? See, Sayaha ataha ek ekam. Ek ekam means that local I. Upaste. Upaste. Upaste means he tries to achieve it. Na saveda, he does not know. Then ataha, I am mixing it, ekaika ena bhavati. He attains at the most that I only. And after attaining that I wanted to become rich, now I become rich. But now I want to have maybe a big house or a good wife. अब good wife कहाँ से ले आए भाई? ये समस्या है एक. वो कहाँ से लाएं? Supposing good wife comes also, she will not be forever. बोले I want, अब good wife भी आ गई, एक और आई आ गया. Another I came, I want a good child also. वो कहाँ से आए? ऐसे चलता रहता है. ये samsari, understand, this samsari means one who is after imaginary goal, non-fulfillable future. He will rush, work, slog, sweat, but at the end of the day, his akritsnam will remain. See the fifth line. Akritsno hi saha. ये सही रहेगा. कृत कृतश्च भारत won't be there. In Gita you heard यस्य सर्वे समारंभाः यस्य सर्वे समारंभाः काम संकल्प वर्जिताः ज्ञानाग्नि दग्ध कर्माणम तमाहुः पंडितम बुधाः. बोले उसके all sankalp has been burned by knowledge. When it gets sankalp has been burned, this attraction of a small I, localized I, has been negated. He has no attraction and charm of the localized and individualized I. which has a future, which had a past, and which is going to work in the present. त्यक्त्वा कर्म फलासंगम नित्य तृप्तो निराश्रयः. Well, he has left the fruit of action. You know what is the fruit of action? I think I had mentioned once. Fruit is not outside. Phal means reflection. Pratiphalati iti phalam. That reflects in the mind as aham sukhi and aham dukhi is called phal. I think I did mention sometime. You praised me. Supposing you praised me. And aham sukhi became very big. This is called accepting the phalam. बोले उससे क्या नुकसान हुआ? बहुत नुकसान हो गया. Very big loss. Why? I am happy because he praised, therefore I am happy. You have developed a demander of the praise after that. If any worldly thing makes you happy, you have created an impression of its demand for future. अंदर बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. Then again I got attached to you. Attachment to understand, no? There is a I which is convinced that he or she has lot of joy. And therefore we both should be together. Now when I got extra happy with you, I have developed one I in correspondence to you. When I have developed that I in correspondence to you, that he is very good, he gives me lot of joy, and therefore we both should be together. अब क्या सुन बोले what is the loss? अरे प्रारब्ध में not allow, धर्म में not allow. I am emotionally dependent. And tomorrow, supposing he goes away, or he doesn't give that response which he was giving me earlier, now तब तो हम टूट गए. दिल के अरमा फिर आंसू में बह गए. क्योंकि that I which I had developed, it is cracked actually. बोले that day, you know what happened to him. इसको राग बोलते हैं. बहुत खतरनाक चीज है. Somebody is very good. Morning also I said this point. Agree, very good boy, girl, father, mother. But add one more line. But I don't want it. आप भगवान के रहो. आपकी जितनी अच्छाई है आप भगवान को दीजिए. When I see anybody very good, he loves the Lord, then I see only one thing. You have a lot of love, please give back to the Lord. When you become absorber of joy from the world, you are creating a big problem for yourself. Because I have strengthened one I, localized I, which is a demander, who is hungry I for responses, for joy from you in particular. And therefore I have to talk to you. Therefore I have to spend some time. There is no purpose, but I want to spend some time with you. No purpose. This is what is called localized I. द्वेष क्या है उसको देख लो आप. You did something, I got upset. You said something, I did not like what you did that day to me. I did not like what you said. I did not like, I repeated in my mind many times. I have woven one kind of identity. Knitting hota hai na, knitting, like that. I have woven it. Now what happened? Mentally I am repelling you. You are far away. I am here, you are in Durban, or you are in America. But mentally I have developed a strong I which is pushing it. I have a source of sorrow. And that will emit all the memories, will cycle 100 million times. Incident had happened once for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. That was a small incident. It has over, but not over inside. It is fresh as a daisy, they say. Or cucumber also they can say. Cool as a cucumber, they say. Fresh as a daisy. क्या क्या है पता नहीं daisy कहाँ से आया. Other flowers जो तो fresh है. Anyway, as fresh as a daisy. अब this personality I have developed. हम उसी को materialize कर रहे हैं. What we do? Therefore, Gita should be read properly. And God should teach us. Unless God becomes our teacher, problems don't get solved. That Dvesh personality I am rejecting, and I am searching somebody who rejects you also. And supposing whom I don't like, I got one company, that person also didn't like हो, तब तो देखो क्या मजा आता है, क्या रंग आ गया. हाँ, I criticize, you also criticize. Jugalbandi started, and this I was this big, I made it this big. You don't understand that making localized I bigger means faster, uncontrolled thought. Faster, uncontrolled, adharmic, frequent thought. You are not understanding this point. Frequent, faster, uncontrolled, adharmic, violent thought will be faster. And therefore some people they become bitter. If some experiences happen in their life, they become bitter. Experience has passed away, but their nature has become like that. And if I have tremendous rag, then again infrequent, faster, uncontrollable thought of joy to pull the person towards me. Therefore they leave the house and get married. They can give up their parents also. यानी कुछ भी कर जाएगा नहीं. देखो जो चोरी वोरी करते हैं ना, those who steal, those who do adharmic कर्म, tremendous rag is there. Don't think they don't have money. Adharm rag will definitely take to adharm. Therefore Bhagwan Shankaracharya says, samsar sapna tulyo hi rag dveshadi sankulaha. Third line. Swakale satyavad bhati प्रबोधे सत्य सद्भवेत. बोले और कोई संसार ही नहीं है, दिस पर्सनालिटी का ही नाम संसार है. प्लीज डोंट स्ट्रेंथन एनी पर्सनालिटी which is pulling a lot and pushing a lot. What will happen? It will occupy very big space in your mental room, and you will never be able to focus on any good subject for a long time. Your efficiency will be affected. At least certain time you will get totally kidnapped. Because that personality has ejection power. It will eject lot of thought and you will go out. And therefore I have done upasana as if of that. So what is written? Sahaya ata ekaikam upaste. Nasa veda. Nasa veda. Hi eshata ekaikena bhavati. I hope it is clear. And not only this, akritsnaha yesha. He is incomplete. He is incomplete. बहुत संभाल के रहने की जरूरत है. We are very careless identity makers. We are very, very careless localized I makers. If you are very fond of localized I, you please make localized I regarding God only. That I am the devotee of Lord and my source of joy is Ishwar only. This is called Bhakti Upasana. And lot of thoughts should come about the God. This is Bhakti Marg. कोई problem नहीं होगी. क्योंकि गॉड इज ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ जॉय. वॉट इज द सेल्फ इन साइड? प्रत्यक इज प्रत्यक्ष. वन इज प्रत्यक इनर मोस्ट, अदर इज प्रत्यक्ष इन फ्रंट ऑफ द आई. Because he is infinite, he is not dying, he is also all pervasive. And then you can get joy from that God. You can worship Ram Bhagwan, Krishna Bhagwan, Hanuman ji, Shiv ji. You can worship day and night. That Lord will see that you get the knowledge and you are liberated. Tesham aham samudharta mrityu samsar batao. बोले तुम चिंता मत करो, ये तो सर्वाणी कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परा अनन्ये नैव योगेन माम ध्यायन्तो उपासते. नॉट एवरीबडी, तेषाम, ऑफ दोज पीपल ओनली. सबके लिए हम नहीं काम करने वाले हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक देम आउट फ्रॉम दिस संसार सागर. यू नो व्हाट इज सागर? अनएंडिंग आइडेंटिटी. ये पता नहीं हमारा वो आइडेंटिटी कब खत्म होगी. विद रिस्पेक्ट टू माई फादर, माई मदर, my child, my husband, my wife. The endless thought about those topics, this is called sagar. If you have attachment somewhere or aversion somewhere, one day you write how many times I have, how many thoughts I have given, you will find millions. And this is still unending. You don't see the iti of it, that this is the end now. If you don't like somebody, you don't know. Life of likes and dislikes is very big. ये रक्त बीज है. रक्त बीज was one demon. Know the story, no? They were cutting, and if you are falling, as many drops were falling on the ground, so many rakt bij again came up. More I think on the subject, more I create a problem for myself. More I enjoy you, more I want to enjoy you after that. Before I enjoyed, I had only 5% thoughts about you. I enjoyed, now I created 10% thoughts about you. After having 10% I enjoyed, I created 50%, 20% thoughts. And this way I am increasing the hooligan inside. Hooligan thought, gunda wale thought hai ye sab. सोचना. And therefore it is written, na saveda akrisnoha, he is incomplete. Mrityos mrityumapnoti ya ihananeva pashyati, he goes from one death to another death. Kathopanishad says. Acha, supposing somebody knows it, supposing somebody knows, then what will happen? If supposing somebody knows that, then what will happen? They see what is written. I am reading. Atra, see the word here. Atma, after bhavati put full stop. Ekaikena bhavati. Bhavatya is there, it is sandhi is there. So bhavati, you can put full stop. You getting me? From the bottom, third line. Bhavati after full stop. Next word is Atma eva, Atma iti eva upasita, full stop. When full stop, don't mix some English full stop, put a line, put viram line. Then it is written Atra hyete sarve, this is sarve here. A is lupt in sandhi rule there. Ing padanta dadi is there. So A goes away, it is sarve. Ekam bhavanti. In that, atra means what? Atra means adhishthan chaitanya. In that samanya I. Acha. Ete means all these. All these means Shrota, Manta, Gyata, Vakta. All these merge in him. All this merge in him. Ekam bhavanti. They all become one. And now I will say, this is a underline, please underline that line, Atma iti eva upasita. Only where is it? So many sandhi rules are there, I don't know. I may not underline something else. No, please underline that, because this will be the next topic of discussion. Bhaskar is sitting quietly, don't think he is not doing, he will now bring up this point. Atma iti eva upasita. Therefore, if you really want to go deep into the Upanishad, little knowledge of Sanskrit will help you out. What is Sandhi? How to pronounce Sandhi? Sandhi is coming here. अब this Sandhi is there. एक ही के ना भवत्यात्मेत्य ऐसा लिखा है. Actually the word is bhavati. E becomes ya. What is the Sandhi called? Where E becomes ya? Ikoyanachi. Good. Ikoyanachi. E becomes ya. U becomes va. And therefore it is written bhavati. फिर देखो आत्मा इति, then E has again become ya. आत्मा इति. So आत्मा इति. क्या करें फिर हम? उपासित. And ta and atra under sandhi is there. हाँ, संधि बताओ. अत्र उपासित प्लस अत्र. नो संधि क्या है? हाँ, अकसवर्णे दीर्घः. अकसवर्णे दीर्घः. These are the name of sandhi Maharishi Panini has given. तो ही एते. फिर आ गया देखो ही. आई एम जस्ट टेम्पटिंग यू. बोले डोंट ट्रबल मी, हम छोटे मोटे आदमी हैं. नहीं आप छोटे नहीं हैं. ही प्लस एते है. ही ई हैज बिकम य. य हो गया. हाफ ह एंड य इज कॉल्ड ये ते. ओके. देन सर्वे वर्ड है, नॉट इंग्लिश सर्वे. दिस इज एज हियर. इंग पदांत आता थे. एकम भवंती. ये अत्र प्लीज समवेयर यू इंडिकेट. ये फोन बंद कर दे मालूम. बेटर टू पुट ऑफ द फोन. अत्र प्लीज इंडिकेट देयर. अत्र मीन्स अधिष्ठान चैतन्य, सामान्य ज्ञान है. ऑल बिकम वन इन दैट. क्या डिफरेंस है? ध्यान देना. सपोजिंग आई happy aham is born. So what is samsari? He gave me happiness. And what is jnani? This happy I has come from me, it will go into me. Don't think he is not happy. But he sees happy in the very big context inside. Sad has come. Don't think he is not sad. But sad, he says sadness is appearance upon me. He did not give me sadness. And sadness appear and disappear upon me. Everything is in that background. Tell me the shlok in Bhagavad Gita. Apuryamaणam achala pratishtham samudramapa pravishanti yadvat tadvat kamayam pravishanti sarve sa shantimapnoti na kamakami. Corresponding to this principle, Vedas have told the principle. Gita has elaborated it. He said there is one full of water. Apuryamaणam achala pratishtham. Ocean is full of water. Well, if the desire goes to the jnani or not? बोले हाँ. समुद्र मापा प्रविशन्ति सर्वे. Desire goes and merges into him. तद्वत कामायम प्रविशन्ति सर्वे. Desire came and merged into him. Anger came and merged into him. He is seer of that anger. And he says anger came from me and got dissolved into me. I have nothing to do with this anger vritti. And what about the worldly person? Well, he gave me anger and because of him, he does not know this picture out inside. And now he makes a firm, solid, exclusive identity and he lives and dies with that. Without knowing of that background I. I hope you are appreciating that. कहीं अब कैसे खत्म करें? अब उनसे बोलो भाई you should not be angry. बोले हाँ I am trying not to be angry. क्या करें अब? कहीं dissolving place तो है नहीं. There is no place to dissolve. But you can dissolve something in something bigger. I have one cup of, supposing one bottle of ink. How can I dissolve that bottle of ink in another bowl of water? बड़ा तो है नहीं हमारे पास कुछ. If I had bigger God, I would have dissolved that. चलो भगवान को दे देते. उनका ही दुख है, उनका सुख है. उन्होंने हमको दुख दिया, हम एक्सेप्ट करते. बहुत दुख हुआ, भगवान को दे देते. इसको बोलते हैं इन्फिनाइट में दे दिया. नॉट दैट दुख विल गो अवे नाउ. बहुत दुख था लेकिन भगवान का दिया है, सब अच्छा है, प्रसाद हो गया हमारे लिए. इसी को बोलते हैं कर्म फल त्याग. भगवान ने दिया और उनका सब अच्छा है. God is very big in the life. Please note, I am not saying God is big. I am saying God is big in my heart. The problem won't be solved if God is big. God should be big in my heart. Then only problem will be solved, because problem is in the heart. Either I should be big. My sorrows went away, joys went away. Neither God is big, neither I know this samanyam. तब तो फिर आपकी you will be in tremendous mental soups. क्यों? आप झगड़ा करते रहो अंदर से. You will make one eye yourself, and whom you don't like, you will make another eye of that person, and mentally you will fight. Physically he is not available to fight because he is busy somewhere. He will not talk also. If I shout too much, he will run away. He will keep up the phone. Sometimes on the phone they fight. Other person just keeps it on. ऐसा नहीं हुआ आपके साथ? Now when he keeps up, I am so frustrated. Again I call, he is not picking up my call. Then I call from another number. And he picks up. He said, hello? Well, why are you not picking my phone? Well, I don't want to talk. So insulting. I also don't want to talk. I want to tell you, I call the spade the spade. You keep on talking and screaming like that. And then, बाहर का तो गया, अब हमने अंदर बनाया उसकी एक मूर्ति. अब हम झगड़ा दिन भर करते रहते हैं उसके साथ. ऐसे ही प्यार वाले भी होते हैं. ये अंदर एक मूर्ति बना लेते हैं अपने प्यारे की. ये मोहब्बत शब्द ही बड़ा अच्छा, जहाँ मोह हो जाए वहाँ मोहब्बत होगी. अब मूर्ति बना लिया, अब उससे हम बात कर रहे हैं, उसको मनी मन देख रहे हैं. आई एम टॉकिंग टू हिम, लाफिंग विद हिम. जिनके ग्रैंडसन भी होते हैं वो मन में ही ग्रैंडसन बना लेते हैं. ग्रैंडसन इज नॉट देयर, बट दैट मेंटल मानसिक ग्रैंडसन दे आर प्लेइंग नाउ. अब क्या करेंगे? अब इनके साथ रहो. डिजॉल्विंग प्लेस तो है नहीं आपके पास. दुखाया आप लीजिए, क्यों झेलिए. लेट द रिसीवर बिकम, दिस लोकलाइज्ड आई बिकम मोर फैट and more agitated, look like more fatter it is, more it will be cause of disturbance. More angry it is, that means you have absorbed a lot. More calming it is, you have absorbed a lot. साधक का ये प्रोजेक्ट होता है इसको ठीक करना. Nobody becomes sadhak unless he tackles these areas. If he has not tackled this ahankar, rag, dvesh, and not understood the dynamics of that, he will not know why, क्या जरूरत है हमको. And therefore instruction is there. This is called vidhiling in Sanskrit. Vidhiling is called imperative. Atma, iti atma eva upasita. One should, here upasit. Upasit doesn't mean upasana. Upasit, it is called here, he should dwell upon. Which Atma? Not any Atma. That Atma which was the cause of the world, for which I had mentioned sa iha pravishtaha. which has entered, that means that Brahman which we had established, that Atma, because instruction will not be given about already what you do. Scriptures don't talk about, there was a defect of Praman, 2 defects were there. Non-repetition and non-contradiction. So it will not be said, already I know about that Atma. He will not say. When it is said Atma eva pasita, here Atma means that Brahman about which we had talked about, Paramatma about which we had talked about as the cause of the world, about Purnamada. And in that self, what happened? Yete sarve ekam bhavanti. In that, ete means ete means Srota. Ete is Bahuvachan. Ekam bhavanti. I hope this is now clear. बहुत सोचना पड़ेगा. It is a target. आप गिर जाओ, हमें नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. A person falls while doing sadhana, I don't mind. At least he tried. And one day he'll get it also. 100 times he falls, I don't mind. At least he tried a lot. But not understanding and not trying and being in that quagmire of samsara is a sin. क्यों deprive कर रहे हैं अपने आप को? Why are you depriving yourself? Situations won't change. यथा ह वै padena anuvindeta. One who knows that pada, ha vai nishchiti. So what happens? It is written here, yatha havai padena anuvindeta. Like if they have to search the tiger, say, or the, what is it called, lion, they have the mark. What is it called? Not footprint. Pug mark or the foot, what is it called? Paw marks are there. Like that they can make it out that the lion had come here. Okay. Or even animal they can find it out. Similarly, yatha havai padena anuvindet evam kirtim shlokam vindeta. Similarly, in one who knows the self, how? By this constant reminder of Jivatma and Paramatma, going to the Sakshi, who knows it. So, what happened? He gets yash and he gets the fame with other people. This is the mantra.